he has to pan and yeah.
He had to plan and way go away from
Move back, yes, yes.
back. So he want to practice more about
Yeah, I understand.
and now he want to trace that ship.
So he's on sport mode right now.
On spot, yes. So again, sir. High five. Rồi á, chịu chơi.
Kayaw.
Full follower now.
Oh, full throttle.
Yeah. And I lost the signal again.
With this one?
Yeah.
Evo?
The one he losing now. He also he lose again.
Is this the Mavic or
Yeah, the Mavic.
Evo? Oh,
Mavic, even the Mavic.
how far?
I don't know. Some of the areas is so I don't know. Maybe
They get some blockers.
I don't know. Maybe the rich people
Yeah.
something don't want to want the people to shoot down.
Yeah,
Or take a photo.
very possible. Yeah, very possible.
Maybe I don't know.
But that one comes back, right?
Yeah.
He returning.
For DJI, it's like it's very good. And if you lose your signal, just like comes back
Yeah.
because it records your GPS.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you have to update the home point.
You have to. Yeah.
But
You have to. If not, then.
if they're coming back,
Oh.
我諗翻嚟，唔係喎。點咧？It's coming back。
等啊，
等啦。
Is it?
I don't know. You have to wait。
Mm.
呢天線真係唔得㗎。And now he proved one thing is the original antenna is not good as that one.
Oh, this one.
I use that one. The signal is no problem.
Oh, so how far this can go? Has he checked like how
I don't
far?
know. 你試過用呢支天線佢去到幾遠啊？呢支
Is it Alienware?
嗰啲唔係嘅。哦，this one。
Oh, yeah. Alien Tech, yeah.
你乜人哋呢？
Oh, upgrade.
8公里
8K
AC 8公里。
This one 8K?
8K。
Oh, 8K this one. Oh.
冇人翻唔到。我黑仔，變咗啲機都係。
The drone is not turning. I mean the. Dapat mo. Kailangan ta siya mo kuan. This should be like
記得咗你支紅咪？我知道有咩問題。呢條天線放一條，放一條。咁咪快。呢個放翻。My God！
冇咁樣喎，咪翻嚟咯。其實覺得你冇。
oh, tara. Yeah. Oh. It's okay. Oh. Yeah.
因為我唔中意呢啲。Saya saya nanti lima balik.
Dili mo kuan gid siya pero kuan man na kaning kuan man good. Kung mag sport mode ka ang mga sensor ana mawa dili kung sports mode kay manual gud na siya. Pero karon makuha na man balik ang kuan. But you know, to be honest, I really like the Mavics. I also have the old Mavic,
Yeah.
but for the quality of the camera, way more better.
Way more better.
Oh,
The Hasselblad。
Hasselblad, yeah,
哇！
and very small.
又係咁。驚㗎我。
Moment tayo.
Just money.
You know.
Just one.
You know what happened to me? I lose 2 times.
Two times.
I'm so scared every time when just lost the signal just like before.
Yeah.
No problem, but I'm
Yeah.
Of course, because you experience it, huh?
But the thing is, if
so
you have the Wi-Fi, the mini, very dangerous.
very dangerous.
Yeah, not good.
But the new one, oh, it's a temptation.
You know, if you a lot of people ask me regarding the drone, I always tell them the smaller is better, and the one that just came out is reliable because of the OcuSync. So I think it's a good investment for the people who just like started going for drones.
Yeah, for start for beginners.
For beginners, yeah.
Quite good.
I'm very lucky. I never lost the
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
because I fly the very safe.
Very safe, yeah. Oh, should be. Me too. Hopefully, it will stay like this.
But this one, over 10K,
Over.
Over
Oh,
10K, that's why it's.
or maybe some people said actually the Mavic Air is even better. But
Air 2?
Air 2,
Really?
yes, everything is the best.
Yeah.
As except the quality.
The quality. This one is a lot
This is the
better.
best,
Yeah.
yes. And he fly the big one like
Inspire 2. Yeah. But just
But
too
he
big.
But he said this one is the most stable.
Stable.
Not stable.
Not stable. Shakes like this when with
I-
a strong speed.
Like you, man.
放風能嘅。
Because sometimes the wind
Against the wind is
very-
Strong. Yeah.
the mini is too small.
Too small. Yeah. Yeah.
But I actually I shoot some file video from the Mavic one.
Yeah.
Gorgeous actually. If the daylight.
Daylight. Yeah.
Yeah. It's good enough.
It's good enough. Yeah.
Good enough.
Yeah. That's true.
Especially if you put in the YouTube.
Yeah. Already. Still plus the compression.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And also the new one have the raw file
Oh yeah. Yeah.
and 4K.
For.
Amazing. But the battery is so expensive.
Oh,
So
is it?
you must buy the combo.
Combo. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, very good. No, this one is very good. This one, I'm looking for this one, and then for the phone or for the iPad also.
You buy this one is good for this one.
Oh, really? So this
Because
one.
the part is for the iPad,
Oh,
the iPhone,
so this one selling in Hong Kong or it's just in Taobao?
Turbo.
Taobao, okay.
Or you can find it in eBay.
eBay.
A
Oh,
lot.
eBay too expensive.
yeah.
No, I think
They
the
won.
The
They
stock
won.
is not expensive, but the shipping.
Shipment,
shipping,
yes.
shipping.
Yeah.
Nothing in Shamshiko or somewhere,
I think you can find it.
but it's not that original.
Some people I know there's a one in some people. There's a fat guy, quite a tall guy.
Where?
Shamshik.
Where in Chamshoku?
知廟啊
In the golden.
有個 in
Oh.
a small plaza and a shopping center, very small one. They call the 心知廟 I don't know. 心知道 yeah, 心知道.
Well, I'll check that. This one.
I can write for you.
Maybe you take the photo.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, 心知道.
Yeah, you take the photo.
No need. You just open the map. I mean the
You Google map.
Google map.
Oh, okay.